Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect to Turkish Airlines Wi-Fi. First, once you're allowed to use electronic devices, turn on your device Wi-Fi. Then look for the network called TK Wi-Fi. Go ahead and tap to connect. Next, open any web browser and it should automatically take you to the Turkish Airlines Wi-Fi portal. If not, just type any website. Your device will redirect you. Here, you can either log in using your flight details, your Miles and Smiles account, or purchase a Wi-Fi package depending on your flight. On domestic flights, you'll usually need to buy a pass. On international flights, some passengers get complimentary access depending on their cabin class or miles and smile status. Once you choose your plan or log in, you're all set. You should now be connected and ready to browse, message, or work in the air. And that's it. That's how to connect to Turkish Airlines Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.